Are you curious how a faceless YouTube channel actually gets made, step by step? In this video, I'm showing you my entire workflow from idea to upload, so you can see exactly what works for me and maybe adapt it for yourself. If you enjoy the behind the scenes of digital businesses, make sure to subscribe and let me know what part of the process surprises you most. You might think a faceless channel is easier, but behind every smooth video, there's a workflow. Let's dive into the details. You'll be able to take away real ideas for your own growth, whether you're just getting started or want to get more organized. Every single video begins as a note in my idea dump folder on Google Drive. I can't count how many times I've come up with a killer idea while walking, scrolling, or even making coffee. Instead of hoping I remember it, I immediately jot it in my phone or directly into Google Drive. Some ideas come from trends I've spotted on YouTube, others come from comments on my last videos. And sometimes they're just questions I see over and over in online forums or social media. For example, I got the idea for this video after someone messaged me on Instagram asking, "What does your workflow actually look like?" That made me realize, if one person asks, probably 10 more are wondering. To keep things organized, I give each idea a quick label like AI tool review, Cashflow quick tip, or personal story. This makes it so much easier to plan batches of videos later. If you're building a content engine, this idea bank becomes your creative safety net. I also set a reminder every Friday to review my idea dump and pull out the most relevant topics for the next week. Try this out. Let me know in the comments if you want help with idea banking habits. Once I pick a topic, it's research time. Before I ever open Pictory, I'm deep into YouTube searching, watching what's ranking in my niche, and studying what questions aren't being answered. I scan Reddit, Quora, and even TikTok comment threads for pain points or inspiration. I start scripting in Google Docs. I break every video into a hook to grab attention in under 10 seconds. A direct intro about who it's for and why it matters, step-by-step value with real-life examples and resource lists, clear calls to action to prompt viewers to comment their own tips or struggles, and an outro that hints at the next video or series so every episode feels like a journey. Early on, my scripts just flowed like bullet point lists. I'd lose energy and focus halfway. Now I tell a story in every tip, even if it's minor, like how I once lost an entire folder of pre-recorded voiceovers and had to redo a week's work. That became a reason to talk about file backups. If you've got script anxiety, you're not alone. I used to overthink every sentence. Now I write as if I'm talking to just one person, a curious future creator listening over my shoulder. Comment below if you want to see a full, annotated script template that you can copy for your own channel. Faceless doesn't mean bland. My visual strategy is simple, repeatable, and most importantly, recognizable. Each video pulls stock footage from Pexels, Pixabay, or Unsplash. I look for clips that add energy or context to what I'm explaining. For tool reviews, I'll use simple screen captures or branded icons. Brand colors are everything. You'll notice every video uses teal, charcoal, and white, plus green or gold when talking money. My logo stays in the lower right corner, sometimes with a quick intro animation at the start. Early on, I made the mistake of skipping branding. The result? Even I couldn't tell my clips apart on social feeds. Switching to a consistent look made my channel feel 10 times more professional, and viewers commented on it. My first video with a branded thumbnail earned double the clicks of the one before it. Visuals matter, even if your channel is faceless. Now that everything's scripted and my assets are loaded up, I move to Pictory. I paste the script, let Pictory auto-select stock clips, then customize to keep every visual on topic and interesting. I record voiceovers directly inside Pictory. If I stumble, I just pause and try again. Editing on their timeline is easy, even for a beginner. I set all backgrounds and title cards to match my brand colors. My logo is always visible somewhere on the screen. I add calm, non-distracting background music, usually modern productivity beats. My first Pictory video took over an hour. Now, with templates, I finish one in about 25 minutes, even with a couple of edits. If you stick with your workflow, you will get faster over time. Want me to show my exact Pictory process in action? Drop a Pictory please in the comments and I'll do a walkthrough tutorial. Managing assets is a game changer. After losing a week of files once, I got super organized. Every script, raw audio, thumbnail, and finished video is stored in Google Drive. Folders are labeled by date and project name for maximum clarity. I also back up all branding assets, logos, and intro animations in a separate folder, so I'm never scrambling to find them. Every couple of weeks, I do a digital cleanup and delete files I won't need again, just like clearing your workspace in real life. Having everything organized means that if I want to repurpose a video for a new platform or tweak a thumbnail, I can do it in a few clicks. No frustration, no wasted time. After uploading my main video to YouTube, I immediately pull out highlights, 30 to 60-second clips for TikTok and Instagram Reels, quote graphics or key tips for Instagram and Facebook posts, behind-the-scenes photos or stories to show my actual working process. I use Robin Reach or the built-in schedulers on each platform to set everything up for the week ahead. By spending just an hour extra, my one YouTube video suddenly becomes 5 or more pieces of content across all my socials. Many people think you need to create totally new content for every platform. The truth? Repurposing is efficient, and it keeps your brand visible everywhere without burning out. If you run out of content ideas, batch brainstorming, community feedback, and good note-keeping almost guarantee I never hit a wall. And if I do, I'll ask viewers directly what they want to see next. Right now, I post to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I might add LinkedIn later, but I'm keeping it simple for now. So, that's my full step-by-step workflow for running a modern, faceless YouTube channel as a solo creator. If you want to see any tool or step in detail, or you have a workflow challenge, leave a comment or reach out on my socials. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest strategies, fails, and future progress updates as I build in public. Let's keep the cash flowing, faceless style. All my links and resources are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you made it this far, drop a fire emoji in the comments so I know you're one of the action takers.